Hey everybody, today's ride-along video is brought to you by You Fucked It Up Automotive.
No, I said you fucked it up!
Never mind. Can somebody explain to me why they think it's okay to do this shit? Quit doing this shit. You're making Jesus cry. God damn, go fucking spend $1 and fix it right. Nothing to see here, kids. Nobody's ever been in this valve cover before. Everything here looks nice and stock. What are those? Bolts for a fence? What the hell? Well, number 6 cylinder doesn't have any compression, almost at all. And the other two are at 150 or so. So I'm gonna take the valve cover off just to check the cam, but it's probably burnt valve. So unfortunately, valve cover. Holy fuck is not a torque spec. 10 pounds will do. So keep that in mind for the future. One-handed snuggle ruggle. I'm gonna lose something here. I'm losing my mind. All right. Valve cover, gasket check. Cam check. Okay. I've got a cam lobe. That one looks good. I can't see the other one. Pushing down in there. No, pushing down, pushing down. It's down pretty good. I'd say it's open. Let me tap the motor and see if I can get it over. Look at it. Well, that's okay. I don't like the score marks on it, but it's okay. Let's see anything better down here. Upside down camera shit. Fire the cameraman. I don't know. It's about average. Seemed to me. So we got a lot of lifter noise coming from here. Put it back together and run this side, see if it's coming from this side. So small possibility the lifter's just completely collapsed, but it's running pretty rough. I'm thinking it's a valve, burnt valve. So let me put it back together. All right, I'm gonna make a quick video on a 2007 Mini Cooper that's got one of these AC control systems going haywire. Powers up for a second, and then as soon as you touch anything, it just dies. It doesn't have enough voltage to kick on the blower motor, anything, and the stereo doesn't work also. So whatever's powering that, which is probably the accessory from the ignition switch, because what I did, I'll show you here. I get 5 volts from the accessory, but I get 12 volts from the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and jump back through the system the 12-volt constant to the red wire 12-volt accessory. Which apparently screws with the wipers too. And key off, key back on. And the fan works. The SRS light's not on. So far nothing's caught on fire, so it's either the ignition switch or it's shorting through something else. But being that this doesn't have power, that doesn't have power, this should be on separate circuits. It's got to be a common circuit, so I'm thinking it's going to be the ignition switch. And that's just telling the computer something's going haywire until you rekey. Then that works just fine. So I think I should probably look at the ignition switch next, put all this back together for now. Because I can't have that constantly sending voltage back to the AC system. So we'll look at it here in a minute. So here's what the inside of a Mini Cooper ignition switch looks like. These contact points burn up pretty easily. They're pretty much the same set that a relay would have inside of it. So you just need to open these up with something and get a small file or something to reset the point contacts in there. I did that and also twisted them a little bit so they'd have a better contact surface. Jam that guy back together. There's a couple little tiny screws right there. And that just slid right out. Disassembled it, moved the terminal contacts over and scraped them off a little bit. And key on. Radio, fan. So that'll be your issue. Ignition switch. Alrighty. Put it back together now. Want to hear a bad pickup line? F-150. Ah, that's a bad pickup line. You can do the brakes on an F-350. Please don't do this to your car. Looking for a battery disconnect switch for a side post. Don't think they make them. So I'll have to go talk to Jason. I didn't even see shit up here.